Hi everybody. A couple of developments now. I've decided to rename the channel. It was called Camping Connections. Now, looking around on the internet, on YouTube, there's a few sort of different other names, and it really didn't fit in with like the channel really. You know, this is about camper van projects, Project Camper. So after a few conversations with the wife and kids, decided to call it Project Camper, because that's what it is. So happy days. So I'm going to get some stickers made up. I did have one on the back of the van. Oh yeah, 20 subscribers. Chuffed, absolutely chuffed to bits. So yeah, massive thank you for everyone that's like viewed, yeah, and the 20 subscribers. So that I'm really made up. So yeah, I'm excited. Getting there, as I say, nowhere near the millions and millions, but hey ho, this is just me having some fun building camper vans. So yeah, thank you very much to everybody. Right, well, I have fitted some of the lights. So let's grab the camera, turn it around. Okay, so yeah, just 1, 2, 3, 4. The wires will come back to here, so I've got to sort that out. And this one, so I've got to fit the other one, pull the wire through. This has got to come off, and then it can all be wired into there. So at the moment, press that switch, light comes on. So I'll be pressing that switch and the lights will stay on, and just use the remote control to turn them off. So today, hopefully I'm going to get that done, and I'm going to trim this. So I've just got to sand it down a little bit, trim this, and then take the shelf off, and then trim this. I'm going to trim over this piece of wood, so when this all gets attached you won't see anything, and then I can slowly build that. Still waiting for my brick slips that are going to go here, so it can be like a brick effect. So yeah, that'll be pretty cool when it's all done. So just going to turn it around again. Oh. Hello. So going to break out the tools. I'm going to take the bed apart a little bit, because obviously I used it for last weekend when we went to Stratford upon Avon. Still talking about it now. Still excited that, you know, I've got to meet some famous YouTubers. So yeah. So once again, thank you to all them. Nice, just chatting to them and, you know, just drawing on some of their experiences, and hopefully one day go abroad like they do. A few years yet, but yeah. So okay, I'm going to pause the recording, take out the bed, just the bed sheets and stuff, and the throw that I bought, so it doesn't get covered in dust and muck and stuff, and hopefully it'll be a nice productive day. I've got to do a few things around the house, and I expect the kids will probably want me to help with their school projects, but I should get some bits and pieces done. Bit wet out there, but it's dry. Well, it's not raining, but I say it's wet, well, the road is wet, so I can't really put anything on the floor. So yeah, it's going to get messy again, but hey ho. Right, crack on. trim the top parts first, so I'm getting a bit hot in here. So back to the house. So there we go. Doesn't look too bad at the moment. And we just turn the lights on, just press the switch, the lights come on, and you can just use the remote control. So they look pretty cool. And now I'm going to go in and have something to eat. And so far I reckon this van has probably cost probably in the region of about 300 quid. But what I will do is I'll sit down and I'm going to have a look at all the receipts and all the stuff I bought. I'd say the most I've had to pay out is for the trim. The wood was free, these lights were 12 quid, the bed was free, the insulation, which was behind the walls, yeah, I think that was about 100 quid all in all. But I will have to look at the receipts. But I think it's coming on really well. I really Right, as you can see, the shelf has been removed, and I did say that I'm going to leave this on and I'm going to try and cover over it. How successful I will be, I don't know, but I don't really want to see this. It's going to look ugly when you open the cupboard, but yeah, See how it goes. So here we have shell fitted, and as I wanted, covered this up. So it just looks nice and neat. I think mission accomplished.